Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 23 SPX, just showed up. This is a great looking boat with plenty of room for all your friends and family, and finished off with the dune interior and black hull side color and matching black upgraded 200 horsepower engine. You're going to have plenty of power to get your friends and family, up to 13 people, out on the water and out to the sandbar quick today. As with every Sea Ray, we've got a full 5-year warranty of bow to stern, as well as a lifetime structural warranty on the hull. As we walk around here, you can see with the Outboard, they still provide a nice big swim platform with walk around behind it, as well as a integrated ski pylon you can use for all your water sports activities. Also, we've got a telescoping ladder. Comes out below the deck here, so you don't take any room of your deck, making it easy to get on and off. Let's hop up inside here, see what the rest of it looks like. So here we are on board the 23 SPX, and I'd like to start at the bow, showing you guys how Sea Ray squared off the nose of these, giving you a lot of extra space from the old style pointy V nose. You've got 2 big sun loungers, as well as 1 aft facing seat that also removes to give you easy access on and off the bow. Nice walkthrough between the split windshield. At the helm here, we've got a glass panel Simrad display and chart plotter with bottom finder, as well as waterproof fusion radio system. Nice big captain's chair with flip up bolsters, allowing you to see over the windshield in any kind of conditions. Moving over to the port side here, we've got a nice sized bathroom, especially for this size boat. Captain's chair for the co-pilot that swivels around. And looking around, you can see that all of our seats are very large. We've got a lot of freeboard in this boat. Lots of cup holders and grab handles, additional cooler storage in the back, and even a table for the center part that can be easily removed and stored as it is right now under the floor. Also, to the port side, we've got a nice walkway, so you don't have to crawl over any cushions when you're getting on and off the boat. And my favorite part, a huge sun lounger on the back. And since this boat is also designed to be an IO, they don't change the layout, and instead you have one huge storage compartment. We're just going to reach down here, give that a pull. We've also got a flip-up backrest. And then check out that storage compartment. This is also where your tables go, as well as the post for them, because you can put one up in the bow as well. If you guys have any questions on this awesome boat, or like to take it for a run, give me a call, text, shoot me an email. I'm always happy to help.